Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today's recipe is shrimpy loofah. This is shrimp. I'm going to remove the shell and remove the dirt, devein it, and of course this is loofah. I'm going to remove the skin, and the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook this is very simple. Just 2 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, and 4 slices of ginger, and of course black pepper, and a little bit of oyster sauce, as well as salt. This is how Auntie do the prawns. The head, remove it, peel off the shell, and balance the tail. And then slice the back like this, and you can see these are the dirt. This has to remove, very dirty, you see, so black. So that's how Auntie is cleaning the prawns. Okay, so we'll do the same to all the rest. Alright, this is how the shrimp has been cleaned. The shell has been removed and deveined. There is no more dirt. And I'm going to sprinkle this with black pepper. I mix this black pepper and white peppercorn together. And I'm going to marinate it with about half tablespoon of tapioca flour. Half teaspoon of salt. Alright, enough. Alright, this one set aside. Auntie is going to show you how I'm going to clean this loofah. This is all depend on you. For Auntie, I'm going to clean partially of the skin because my family love the crunchy taste of the loofah. So I don't remove all the skin. But if you don't prefer it that way, you can always make it very clean. Remove all the skin. Okay? This is how it is. You have to remove these ridges. You see the ridges here? Just remove it like this. Okay, the skin has been removed, and you just cut it like this. It all depends how you're gonna cut, but Auntie prefer it this way. Okay, so this is how it is already cut, and now I'm gonna cut the shallot. The garlic I already crushed. These are the ginger. I just slice it. Alright friends, we start the cooking. Okay, heat up the woks first. Okay, pour in the cooking oil. Put in the shallot. Shallot and ginger first. And I like to add a little bit of salt to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Stir fry it until aromatic, then we put in the shrimp. Alright, the condiment has nice aroma. Then we add in the shrimp. Continue to stir fry. I like to add oyster sauce. Okay. Alright. We put in the loofah. Very simple cooking, yet delicious. Add a bit of water. See, I'm using hot water. Okay, add a little bit of salt. About half teaspoon. I'm not putting any ajinomoto because I already added oyster sauce. Right, continue to cook. Don't overcook the vegetable. Don't overcook the loofah. Let it remain crunchy. That is just good enough. Right, it's done. I want to taste the soup. Nice. And the loofah. Nice. The loofah tastes good. Not too so. Still got crunchy. So this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Shrimpy loofah. See? Nice. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. See you on the next video. May God bless all.